guys, welcome back to Marcella's Way. So as you guys have seen from the title, today is going to be a pretty short video, but I wanted to kind of answer this question. This week is going to be full of FAQs about sublimation. So we are going to be talking about a bunch of frequently asked questions, just in case you didn't know what an FAQ was. Frequently asked questions about sublimation. So we are going to just go through, and I have some questions that I have noticed have been reoccurring questions here on the channel, and I want to make sure that I am answering these questions for you. And I'm going to do double time by making these questions individual videos so I can make sure that I show them the right amount of attention. Okay, as you saw from the title, today's question is, can sublimation print white? Okay, so to answer that question in short, before I go into a very random long explanation, no, it cannot. No, sublimation does not print white. To be honest with you, when you are printing sublimation on the shirt, you are printing everything but the white. Okay, so the white would actually show up as your shirt itself, or whatever is considered white will show up. If you have a lightly colored shirt, the white area will show up as that lightly colored shirt. You have to sublimate darker than the actual shirt itself. Okay, so you want to make sure that this white part right here is like a darker blue, like this. Okay, so say for instance, if you try to put this design, sublimate this on this shirt, this white part would actually be blue. Okay, because sublimation does not print white. All right, so you want to make sure that when you are getting designs or using designs for sublimation, you are using full color designs. Okay, look, one great thing about sublimation is the colors. The colors are so vibrant and so beautiful. Why blend it out with white? Who wants white when you can get color? Okay, I mean, just a fiesta, a freaking color, you know? So who wants to be bored with white when you can use color? So that's to answer that question. No, you cannot print white with sublimation. You just can't. So I hope that answered the question for you guys. If you guys have any other questions that you need me to answer or answer in video form, make sure that you guys leave that down in the comment section. And for all of my newbies that are here, make sure that you put a bumblebee in the comment section so I can say hello and Marcella's Way fam can also say hello. And also, if you are a new t-shirt maker or new to sublimation and you want to have a one-on-one session with me to help you with your beginning process or to help you to get started with your sublimation printer, make sure you hit the link in the description. I have a link down there that you can do one-on-one sessions with me. If you guys are interested in supporting this channel and getting merch, or you're interested in Sublimation Blanks or Sublimation Transfers, make sure you guys check that also in the description below. Anything that you need will be in the description, okay? Thank you guys for coming back to Marcella's Way. I appreciate you guys, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. And as usual, I have my way so I can inspire you guys to have your way.